Welcome to InstaCard. So once you have logged in Okta, you have this awesome tool. And I think this is one of the first things that you want to do as a new agent because it's a business digital card and it's free. So of course, you're going to need your headshot. And once you have it, or if you already have it, you come to InstaCard and you're going to click here, edit your InstaCard. In this section, you're going to be able to put your photo, your information, and that's gonna go here. Then you're gonna have your branding. I already got my logo from Canva, which is another one that we're gonna cover, but you get your logo and then you're gonna be able to put the links. If you're a new agent, I strongly recommend you that you get an Instagram account and a Facebook account for your business. That way you can start networking and sharing and telling to the world that you are a realtor. I already had my Instagram, Facebook, my YouTube channel, and my website. That is also gonna be free with eXp when you get your CRM. Now, with the bio, you're gonna be able to put your bio here. I recommend you that if you don't have one already, you use ChatGPT. It's great. It's a good tool to get it more professional if you're not great at descriptions like me. So you get your bio, and these other sections are extra. If you want to go pro, then you're going to pay to get videos, reviews, and have more things added. But I think even with this, which is very basic, it's a great thing to have. Now, once you have put your basic information, you go to install, and this is gonna go to your phone. So from your phone, you're gonna be able to open a QR code. Well, it will tell you instructions how to install it on your phone, but also it's going to let you share it with your contacts. You're going to be able to share it with a QR code that people can scan. You can text message your card, or you can send it by email. Once you start sharing it with people, you're gonna see with who you have shared it. So for example, me, this is who I send it so far, and you will be able to create your email signature, which in my case, it looks like this. Once you create your email, you attach it at the bottom of your email with your forms that are required. We're gonna go with those in another class too, but this is how it looks overall. Then you can choose from different backgrounds. I liked this one, so that's what I picked. And these photos are already in the options, and also how you want your QR code to look like. So these are simple tools. There are other digital cards available, but they charge you. I mean, why not use what you have already been given, right? So that's it for InstaCard. Play with it, change as you go, and have fun sharing it with a bunch of people.